Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm drawing a portrait today on black paper with a white charcoal pencil. This is a white charcoal pencil from Brastro Band, and the paper is also from Brastro Band, black sketch paper. So I am trying to draw a female face. This type of portrait is called a silhouette portrait, where I use white pen or white pencil on black paper to draw a face. So this is the face. Now and blend that position. This is a blender, charcoal blender. This is available in market. Draw the hair. Any one of you, if wanted to draw with me, you can draw. Take a black paper and white pencil. I will give the link of the paper and pencil in the video description. So if you want to buy the paper and the pencil, you can buy from my link and start doing with me. So this is a female face. I'll draw the eyebrow and the eye. I'll be from there. It will be a low angle eye. So this. The eyelashes will be there. So this is the eye. And I'll shade some portions. These portions, the light falls, so there will be highlight in that portion. This is a charcoal pencil, so it's like chalky result, and you can always blend with your finger like this. Okay. In the larger area, I use my finger, and in the small areas where you need detail precision, then I use the blender. This is also the same pencil, the pencil getting small, so I use an extender, nothing else. Same pencil, same brand. So this is a face. Now there is some light, so I'll set the portion and blend with my finger. Do you like my drawing? If you like, then please give a like. That will encourage me to do more and more drawings for you. Just and do some highlight here. The chin. Light is falling from the back, and this is the blender. I use it in the small areas. I request everyone, those who are interested in this type of drawing, to do with me. You can learn many things from, and slowly you can improve your drawing. This type of blender you can find in any art store. Also online you can buy this type of blender, charcoal blender or pastel blender. This is actually a pan pastel blender. Those who are working with pan pastel, then this type of blender is very important, or charcoal powder, then you can use this type of blender. I use the small tip to blend small areas. Yes. Light falls on the hand, the shoulder. That's it. So my drawing is complete. Now I take a black charcoal pencil to give some eyelashes effect. So that's it. Let's sign how it is. Do you like it? Please comment if you like.